Hey guys, welcome back. Gunnthorian here. What I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys a concept for a computer screen in Minecraft. Everything else, this is just a screen. You just have to find it, I guess, a computer. But the screen is as follows. You hop on the kind of mouse pad over here, and F1 helps a little bit, and you could just move your little cursor around on your screen. This is using execute command, so this will only run in 1.8 or up. So far it's just 1.8. This works by when you step on one of these pressure plates, it will teleport my little. I'll find it around here, somewhere around here. There it is. It's a map inside of an item frame, and when you teleport the item frame, it'll move the map around. The map is on the inside of the little item frame, so actually, whoopsie daisy, gotta go grab a new one from over here. And what this will do is move the cursor around. As you can see, the little green speck on here is, well, the item. What is it? Be like your little icon for little mouse pointer. See, how does it work? This little command in here is setting a redstone block in each one of these, which will delete the block quickly, set a redstone block over here, and then most importantly, it'll test if there is a glass block adjacent to the item frame. So it will, if it reaches up to the point, like to the side here, and you try to move your little cursor off the edge, it will just hit the edge and just not go anywhere because there's no glass block over here for it to teleport to. So it will just stop, and I'll show you guys that right now. So when your cursor gets close to the edge and you don't want it to fall off the edge, it won't go off the edge. As you can see, it could go up still, as it has room to move forwards, but when you hit the top, it won't fall off, which helps by letting the user do whatever he wants with the mouse and not needing to break anything. And when it does detect that block is there, it will execute the command of teleporting it to the location. That runs, let's see which, the test for is the execute command, where it goes to the item frame, and then it tests for if there's a block, 4 blocks to the side of it, or in front or behind, and it's detecting if it's glass. And then this command up here will place a redstone block here, 1, deleting it quickly, 2, cloning this structure right here to up here. And that's really, really, really important, because if you don't have that, these comparators will just stay on, and it won't be able to teleport your item frame anymore. It'll just stop. You won't be able to move it any farther, because it will keep the what command is it? The test for command. If there's a block, if there's a glass block, there's normally a glass block next to it. So when it runs the test for command again, it will still come out true. So the comparator will stay on, not allowing the redstone update to change and then teleport the item frame. So it'll just stay there where it is. Next, it will teleport you back to the location in the center, so that you don't have to manually walk back and forth, so it's a lot quicker. And then the last one, which is right, I think it's this one. Yes, this clone command is actually doing that one. This clone command, however, is just cloning the little pressure plate pad back over to here, so that, as you can see, when you step on it, there's never really a the pressure plate never really goes down. You can hear it clicking down, but it never really goes down very much, because right once it's pressed, one where the pressure plates are all like fully extended will be teleported to that spot instantly. So you could really easily and quickly move your cursor, making your cursor quite quick to move. I wanted to keep that a priority, is making it easy to move your cursor around. And this is just a concept of a screen. The entire screen is actually right here. This is all you need. Over there, if you may have seen that, that's just a little other project I've been working on, but this is the entire screen. And all you have to do, if you want to implement this on a computer, which I haven't done yet, I want to do that, is detect where is it? Well, I can never find this thing. Oh, it's all the way over here. Is detect where this is relative to the screen, and then have commands run telling your main system where the cursor is, and then you can actually set up Windows, have it run programs, which will open up Windows. And as you can see, I'm going to use the little Mac colors, the Apple colors. I think it's a little light gray one. Yep, a little light gray. Put that up here. And if you have command blocks that run a entire fill structure command that will fill an entire preset structure right here, using a clone command, you can easily clone this entire structure of what would this be called? Like a window. A window, yes. Clone this entire window structure over without obviously needing to come over here and place down all the blocks through a nice little command. So here, I believe it's yellow next. And I'm doing all this just to show you guys that this screen has a very nice resolution, and you don't have. And the main thing about this screen is that it updates very, 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 very quickly compared to a piston screen or a dumb little screen like what are the other screens I've been using? Redstone lamp screen. So here's your little window, and it's quite good resolution. One block is a pixel on the screen, so it's very easy to work with. You don't have to do like any of those 2 pixels, and it's right up in your face, nice and big. This little border around here, I just added that. You don't actually have to have the border. You could just, well, have a bigger screen, I guess. But one downside to this is that as soon as a window is added, I have to say you will have to hold your map in your hand for a split second, whether it be a command block, place it in your inventory and then delete it really quickly, or place a whole ton of them in your inventory and delete them really quickly, just so that your guy holds it for a split second just to refresh the screen, and then your window or your little thing that you've had on the screen will appear. But your mouse will update all the time. As for if you want a mouse, I'm still coming up with an idea of, if you have chain bits and you right click them, they will place it on your player's feet, and you'll be trying to delete your feet. And when it does delete it from your feet, it'll detect if you've left clicked or right clicked, and it could detect the relative location of that little item frame. And when it does detect the little location of it, it will run a command, I guess, telling your entire computer system where the mouse is. Or you could even have left clicks, right click and left click. And those I have yet to work on. So this was Gunnthorian, and I'll see you guys later.